as we participate in this important debate on the finance bill, let us ask God to open our eyes and enable us clearly see the real choices that we have to make. And I want to remind you the words of Daniel 11:32 that say, even in the context where we are, Daniel reminds us that, but those who know their God, they will be strong and they will do great exploits. Living within our means requires us to work with what we have. You remember Moses, when he was confronted with a situation, God asked him, what do you have in your hand? And you know what he had in his hand. You also remember Jesus asked his disciples when they were confronted with a situation of feeding 5,000 people. Jesus asked the young man and the lady, what do you have in your hand? We are at the threshold of great transformation and in a moment which demands singular courage. Our commitment is under test. Only bold decisions will enable us to make the best of this opportunity to unlock the possibilities of the Kenya we all want for ourselves and for our children. It is time to be bold and brave. Delay tactics and sabotage are written in the shaky handwriting of cowards. Excuses are the nails used to construct